Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Choosing the right operating system or Linux distribution is a crucial consideration for anyone looking for stability, ease of use, and customization options. Debian and LMDE, that stands for Linux Mint Debian Edition, are two popular Linux distributions that focus on stability and longevity. In this comparison, we will analyze the pros and cons of Debian with Cinnamon Desktop and LMDE 6 to find out which Linux distro is better suited for different requirements. My name is Michael and I'm a Linux user since over 20 years. And now let's give it a start. Let's come to a basic overview. We begin with Debian with Cinnamon. Debian is a widely used Linux distribution that is known for its stability and security. Debian sees itself as the universal operating system. Debian not only offers many architectures and customization options, but also a large number of different desktop options. The Cinnamon Desktop is just one of many. Cinnamon, the desktop environment from the Linux Mint project, offers a user-friendly interface with a classic layout. Debian with Cinnamon combines the stability of Debian with the user-friendliness of Cinnamon. LMDE, that stands for Linux Mint Debian Edition, is a variant of Linux Mint based on Debian. It is designed to offer the same ease of use as Linux Mint, but on the robust and stable base of Debian, while the regular Linux Mint Edition is based on Ubuntu LTS. LMDE 6 is the latest version and promises improvements in terms of performance and customization options. As a desktop, the Linux Mint project offers LMDE exclusively with the in-house Cinnamon desktop. Now let's come to a short overview for the installation and setup. Installing Debian can be a little more challenging for beginners as the installation process requires more decisions and there are various installation options. Debian offers the net installer. This comes with a few hundred megabytes and is quickly downloaded. Everything that is configured as part of the installation must then be downloaded and installed during the installation. The installation process takes a little longer. Cinnamon is selected as the desktop interface during the installation. However, this approach allows more precise customization during the installation process. The other way is to download the so-called live image. This can be used to start and test Debian system with Cinnamon live. The installer is the Calamares installer, which is more convenient than the standard Debian installer. During the live system, Debian can be installed by clicking on the Install Debian button at the top left. Cinnamon comes on the Debian base without any customizations. If you are already using Debian with a different interface, you can install Cinnamon at a later time. LMDE offers a user-friendly installation process that is easy to understand even for beginners. It comes with Cinnamon as the default desktop, making it easy to use. LMDE 6 has a clear start screen that makes the most important settings accessible to the user. Linux Mint customizes the Cinnamon desktop on the Linux Mint Edition based on Ubuntu as well as on the Debian base with a wide selection of modern themes and icons. The combination of Debian and Cinnamon offers a balanced user experience. Cinnamon brings with it a classic desktop layout that is easy to understand and intuitive to use. Cinnamon's desktop effects and customization options provide a pleasant environment for users who value visual appeals. As Debian follows a universal operating system approach, only the foundation is provided. In other words, Cinnamon without any customizations. The visual appearance of Cinnamon under Debian stable therefore differs noticeably from that under LMDE. If you want to use the Mint themes and icons, you have to obtain and integrate them manually by yourself. The current Debian stable version is Debian 12 Bookworm and delivers Cinnamon Desktop 5.6.8. LMDE focuses on the Linux desktop in general and relies on Cinnamon as the default desktop, benefiting from Linux Mint's experience in optimizing Cinnamon. The user interface is intuitive and offers a mixture of elegance and user-friendliness. The include Mint tools make it easy to manage the system and contribute to the overall positive experience. visual customizations can be made extensively using the pre-installed themes. The current LMDE 6 version is based on Debian 12 Bookworm and delivers Cinnamon 5.8.4. Debian uses the package management system APT, that stands for Advanced Package Tool, which is known for its stability and reliability. Software updates are fast, as Debian aims for stability and security and therefore focuses on providing security updates immediately. Debian Stable does not have the latest software package versions, as new versions can often trigger regressions such as dependencies on other packages. Fine-tuning the packages is a high priority, which is why software versions are frozen and only security updates are offered. A few apps such as Firefox or Thunderbird are exceptions here. LMDE benefits from the Debian base and offers the same package management. However, Linux Mint provides software updates of Cinnamon and the X apps in a timely manner to give users access to the latest features and improvements. This could be relevant for users who prefer the latest software. Debian is known to its exceptional stability and security. The release cycles are conservative, which helps to create a robust and reliable platform. This makes Debian with Cinnamon an excellent choice for servers and workstations where stability is a top priority. As already explained, the high stability of Debian is based on a long test phase and frozen package versions. This means that no new features or bugs are included, resulting in older and well-tested packages. LMDE 6 inherits the stability of Debian and adds the customizations of Linux Mint. The regular updates of Linux Mint could theoretically result in LMDE being slightly less stable than the traditional Debian, but it still offers a balanced combination of stability and easy to use. Linux Mint maintains the in-house Cinnamon desktop itself as well as the X apps. With LMDE, these are also updated during the life cycle of a release. LMDE therefore always offers a newer Cinnamon desktop version than the Debian version. Debian has an active and dedicated community that provides extensive documentation and support. The wide use of Debian in different environments ensures that many problems have already been solved and documented. There are many international support forums for Debian in the native language of each country that offers help with problems. However, as Debian is not a preferred Linux distro for absolute newcomers, it should be mentioned that a certain level of expertise is sometimes expected in the Debian support forums. Linux Mint has also a vibrant community focused on usability. The documentation of Linux Mint and especially LMDE is detailed and accessible for users at different levels of experience. Linux Mint also has many international support forums in the local language that offers help with problems. As Linux Mint is a beginner-friendly distro, this claim is also adapted to LMDE. Let's come to the conclusion and some final thoughts. Both options, Debian with Cinnamon and LMDE, offer solid performance, stability, and ease of use. The choice between them depends on the individual requirements and preferences. Debian with Cinnamon is better suited for users who prefer greater customization freedom and a classic Debian environment. On the other hand, LMDE is ideal for users who want to combine the stability of Debian with the user-friendly experience of Linux Mint. In either case, the user has a wide range of customization options and strong community support. I had used Debian as my daily driver for several years, however, mostly with GNOME Shell and very briefly with Cinnamon. My primary desktop is not Cinnamon, as I'm more into a macOS inspired design, and this can be better mapped in GNOME than in Cinnamon, at least in my opinion. Nevertheless, Cinnamon is a very important and pretty Linux desktop in my eyes. I recommend Linux Mint or LMDE to anyone who has used Windows, is familiar with this, and wants to stick with the Windows concept. When it comes to the question of Debian with Cinnamon or LMDE, I would recommend LMDE. This for the very clear reason that it concentrates on the Linux desktop and does not want to be a universal solution. Accordingly, LMDE is ready to start immediately after installation and can be customized extensively according to your own design ideas. Unfortunately, this is not the case with Debian with Cinnamon. For instance, on Debian with Cinnamon, the themes and icon sets have to be obtained and integrated manually. Okay, of course, you can do all this if you can and want to spend the necessary time. But regardless of time and effort, the best argument is the newest Cinnamon version in LMDE. We already saw that Debian offers Cinnamon 5.6.8 and LMDE offers Cinnamon 5.8.4. So if you are interested in always using the latest and best Cinnamon version, then LMDE is your distro to choose. Another aspect in favor of LMDE is the Linux Mint Update Manager. Updates can be easily carried out graphically. Furthermore, everything can be automated graphically. System upgrades can also be carried out graphically in a simple way. LMDE is therefore much better suited for users who want to do a lot graphically work and generally don't want to dive too deeply in the system. At this point, I'm interested to hear your opinions on this. What do you think and why? Why don't you write your opinions in the comments? I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to stay tuned for more videos, please feel free to leave a channel subscription, hit the thumbs up button and activate the bell. With this video we have realized a suggestion by the community, because the suggestion for comparison came from one of my viewers. If you have any ideas, please let me know. Then I'll see what's possible. Thank you for the kind attention, ladies and gentlemen. Peace!